Buying a used golf cart can be a smart, budget-friendly move, or your biggest regret. Not all golf cart brands are created equal, and when you buy used, you're inheriting not just the cart, but its problems. Today, I'll reveal the top 5 worst used golf cart brands to avoid in 2025. From reliability issues to lack of aftermarket support, these brands are infamous for leaving their owners stranded and frustrated. Let's get started so you don't make a costly mistake. Once again, I will be your host, Greg. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you can be a part of my growing community and be first in line for new videos and updates. Candy golf carts, flashy but flawed. Candy golf carts may catch your eye with their modern designs and budget-friendly prices, but when it comes to performance, they fall flat. Battery issues are a consistent complaint, with many owners reporting poor range and unreliable charging systems. For a golf cart that promises affordability, the maintenance costs can quickly outstrip its value. One user wrote, "My candy cart looked amazing, but within 6 months, I was spending more on repairs than the cart itself." And let's talk about aftermarket support. There's barely any. Replacement parts are hard to source, and even certified mechanics hesitate to work on these carts due to inconsistent build quality. If you're looking for a cart that lasts, candy simply isn't the answer. While the initial price tag might tempt you, remember, you get what you pay for, sometimes less. Coleman golf carts, cheap and costly. Next on our list is Coleman golf carts. These carts are marketed as affordable and beginner-friendly, but they come with serious compromises. From weak motors to short battery life, Coleman carts are notorious for their inability to handle even light use. And if you think upgrades or customizations can save the day, think again. Unlike other brands, Coleman lacks robust aftermarket customization. Want to upgrade the motor, battery, or suspension? Good luck finding compatible parts or knowledgeable technicians. And when something breaks, and it will, Coleman's customer service is known for being slow and unhelpful. This leaves many owners with expensive paperweights. Bottom line? Coleman golf carts might seem like a good deal, but their limitations and lack of support make them a risky choice, especially when buying used. Linhai Crossfire, built for trouble. Linhai Crossfire carts are often marketed as rugged, off-road-ready vehicles. But here's the truth. They're built with low-quality components that fail under even moderate use. Owners frequently report issues with suspension systems, steering, and cheap plastic parts that break far too easily. And it doesn't stop there. Linhai is infamous for its poor customer service and lack of aftermarket support. Replacement parts are hard to find, and most mechanics will charge extra or outright refuse to work on these carts because of their poor design. Customization options are almost non-existent, so you're stuck with the factory model, no matter how flawed it is. Many owners feel they've been sold on looks rather than substance. If you want a durable cart for off-road or neighborhood use, look elsewhere. Star EV golf carts. All style, no substance. Star EV golf carts are another brand that looks appealing on the surface. They're stylish, modern, and relatively affordable. But underneath that exterior lies a world of problems. Software glitches are a common complaint, with many owners reporting faulty controllers that leave their carts unresponsive. Battery and charging issues also plague this brand, making reliability a constant concern. Star EV carts also fall short when it comes to aftermarket support. Replacement parts can be expensive and hard to find, especially for older models. And don't even think about customizing your cart. Most third-party upgrades are incompatible. One owner shared, "I spent more time troubleshooting software issues than actually using my cart." With all these problems, Star EV is a brand you should steer clear of when shopping for a used cart. Older Easygo TXT models, outdated and overworked. Easygo is a respected name in the golf cart world, but not all their models are winners. Older TXT models especially those over 10 years old, have gained a bad reputation among buyers. These carts often come with outdated motors, low-capacity batteries, and basic designs that can't handle modern demands. Many owners report spending thousands on motor upgrades or battery replacements, only to find their carts still underperform. Customization options are also limited, as older TXT models don't support many of the upgrades available for newer carts. And if you need support, good luck getting Easygo to prioritize an older model. While newer Easygo models are worth considering, the older TXT carts are more trouble than they're worth. Avoid these unless you're prepared for constant maintenance and limited performance. And that wraps up this episode on 5 used golf cart brands to avoid in 2025. Whether it's poor reliability, limited customization, or non-existent customer support, these brands have proven time and again that they're not worth the risk. Remember, when buying used, research is your best friend. Check reviews, ask about the cart's history, and don't be afraid to walk away if something feels off. Have you had an experience with any of these brands? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on all things golf carts. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.